Welcome, students. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now, let's review what we have learned last week, okay? The things in the classroom. A bag, a bin, a desk, a marker, a whiteboard, colored pencils, crayons. So those are the things that we have learned last week, okay? Let's answer these questions. I know that you can answer it. What is that? Okay, good. That's a bag. What is that? Great. That is a bin. That's a bin. What is that? That's a desk. Very good. Okay, let's have more questions. What is this? What is this? Very good. This is a whiteboard. What is this? This is a marker. What are these? These are colored pencils. What are those? Those are crayons. Okay. Now, today we learn about family. Okay, members in the family. You have father, okay? And then mother. You have mother, okay? And then you have brother. Then sister. And then last is baby. Okay, let's spell them, okay? Father, F, A, T, H, E, R. Father. Mother, M, O, T, H, E, R. Mother. Next is brother. B, R, O, T, H, E, R. Brother. Sister. S, I, S, T, E, R. Sister. Baby. B, A, B, Y. Baby. Okay, let's repeat it again, okay? So these are the members in the family. We have father. We have mother. And then brother. You have sister. And baby. Very good. Okay, so you have your father, mother, brother, sister, baby. Okay, now let's answer these questions. These are just easy questions. Okay, now who is this? Who is this? This is the father. The father of this baby. Yeah. So this is the father. Next. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, this is the mother of the baby. Okay, so you have the mother. This is the mother. Okay, let's repeat. Then you answer, okay? Who is this? Who is this? Very good. This is the father. Okay, how about this one? Who is this? Excellent. This is the mother. Okay, let's have more questions. Okay, who is that? Who is that? That is a brother. That is a brother. Who is that? That is a sister. That is a sister. How about this one? Who is that? Who is that? That is a baby. That is a baby. Now it's time for you to answer, okay? Let's repeat. Who is that? Very good. That is a brother. Who is that? Great. That is a sister. Very good. Now, the last. Who is that? Amazing. That is a baby. Okay? So you have learned the questions who is this, and who is that. Thank you. That's all for today, kids. And thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.